Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web.
Brutus, put him in.
See? I told
Spider-Man!
you. Stop! Stop!
I gotta get to the drugstore and get something for the sneezing. I'll hunt for those rollicking reptiles on the...
See you later, alligator! Sir!
Guess the ride's over.
Not for you, it ain't.
Enough!
What you up to,
You ain't gonna talk. How about we go digging for an explanation?
What an interesting plan, but...
No, this isn't
Fully loaded model features nanotechnology. This created borrowed from the lab of Reed Richards. This scientific marvel features...
The unmanned probe Alita projected itself to the far side of the cylinder.
Earth.
It's at the Metro Bank near Central Park.
Real one. The real one? You don't even have the costume right. I'm in mourning for my buried wreck.
Fight Venom again! Harry, you okay?
Captain America and the Incredible Hulk. Will be. Save me? Whoa! Can't say I saw that coming.
Damn, why are you defending yourself? The news is all over you. Everyone thinks it was you.
They say worse things about you.
Yeah, and it's horrible.
I don't know anything about power cycling, right?
I was afraid of that. Well, the first thing we have to do is get our powers back.
Ghost Rider, let's show him how to do it.
Red, where are you? I ordered you to stay.
Now all will bow to us. The beam that hit you originated from the tri-state area.
Is that one of S.H.I.E.L.D.'s?
No.
It was shaped like your head.
Well, that sounds like ours, but we don't know anything about a power cycling ring.
Well, it looks like the good guys won. Earth is safe, Asgard is safe. Tony Stark's house is repaired. The helicarrier is back in the air, and the bad guys are locked out.
Good question, Spider-Man.
Huh? Nick Fury?
S.H.I.E.L.D. needs your help. Your old foes.
Esa es la sorpresa. Tengo algo que anunciar y lo anunciaré cuando lo anuncie.
Nick Fury?
S.H.I.E.L.D. needs your help. Your old foe, Doc Ock. Would you stop this one?
ずいぶん派手に暴れているようだな。少しは僕を止めることなんてできっこないよ。
そう。おとなしく捕まれば優しくしてあげるよ。
Consider yourself uninvited. I think this party's getting out of control.
I think it's just getting started.
Myself. They fit perfectly.
No, not cool.
So glad to be back. I hope you're as excited to see me as I am to see you.
Older than you. 15 months, but it's pretty significant if you ask me.
Well, Einstein said time was world.
You can't think about saving the world. You have to think about saving